How do you know when your studio environment is quiet enough? How do you know when your microphone is quiet enough? Let's show you an easy way to measure those two metrics. Open up a free program called Audacity. Click on Audio Setup, Recording Device, and set it to whatever you're using for a microphone. In my case, I'm using an ATEM Mini. Come over here to the microphone button, choose Start Monitoring. That's it. Now, you don't have to hear anything because we can see what's happening. And the goal for you is and this is, you don't have to worry about this. That's having no effect on anything. The goal is to be as close to that 54, the negative 54, or to the left of that as possible when you're completely silent. And we've accomplished that, and you're hearing the results. In this way, you can introduce variables and see what effect it has on your noise level. For instance, I'm going to switch from one microphone to another. That's it. I've switched to the second microphone. You'll notice just changing microphones has introduced a lot more noise. We're at the negative 36, and I'm sure during pauses you can hear that difference. We're going to switch back to the original microphone. As a result, this allows you to make an informed decision on which one you should be buying. And now we're back to the original microphone. That's it. Very short, to the point. That's how you can determine whether your studio and microphone are of the quality, at least with respect to background noises and hisses and buzzes and things that you certainly don't want to have to pull out post-production. Thanks very much for watching. Bye-bye.